Well, here's the Ten-Tec Omni 6 on its back. You're wondering, what is he doing now? Well, here's the story. That little guy there is an amplifier board. It's amplifying the audio from the IF board and throwing it into a speaker right here. And there's a story on why I'm doing that, but anyway, check it out. Works pretty good. And you may ask, why did I have to do that? Well, here's what I put in. You know, people bash China, but I bought 8 of these or 10 of these things for like 10 bucks. And they work. I'm really happy with that. So anyway, why did I do this? Because I've spent hours trying to make this damn thing work. This damn stupid crap chip that they have on the IF board, which is this chip right here. I replaced all these components, capacitors, well, most of them anyway, and I just can't make this chip work. I even replaced the chip with some replacements I got on Amazon. I just couldn't make it work, and I figured I don't want to spend any more time on this thing. If I can get a module that works and hook it up to the radio and it works and it plays, that's just fine. So that's the story on this. I'm just hooking it up off of pin 9 here. Yeah, that's all I need, pin 9. Actually coming off the volume pot here. Volume pot, yeah, I want to come off pin 9 because I want to get the little beepy sound. The beeper sound comes in through here when you push the buttons. If I don't do that, I won't hear a little beep. Anyway, the rig's back in action. This speaker isn't too great, but I guess I could put it on a better speaker, couldn't I? I got some better speakers back here. If I can move this without disrupting the connections. Okay, here we go. Better speaker. Let's see if I can just do that with it. I'll power it down for a second. There, the audio is powered down. I just want to see how loud this thing will blast, really, and how good the tone is on it. If I give it a good speaker. Of course, I don't have any way to connect this up easily with one hand. The plug is too thick for the connectors. Okay, I think it's on there. Yeah, it is on there. All right, so that's on there finally. These big speakers are now engaged. Let's see how they work. Power up the amp. Let's crank it.
Barry's in New Zealand now. He made the trip across. Him and another boat that we were actually...
It's got good tone to it. I'm happy with that. And does this tone control work?
He was one of our boats that we talked to in the Baja when he was there.
Let's see.
They met up in Fiji and then they buddy boated over to New Zealand. Actually had a fairly decent trip this year. He had some headwinds.
Anyway, works pretty good.
Ended up getting into New Zealand just before a nasty low pressure moved in, and is down there now enjoying a little more cruising. The weather is better than it was.
Well, those guys.
From the boat and noise this morning, early, and hopefully tomorrow will be a noise day. Yeah, so hopefully, if you got the time to go take this down. Let's see, that's about it.
It's not running hot, so yeah, I think it's a winner. So now the question is, where am I going to put this thing? I'm thinking about, it won't fit height-wise here. I'm thinking about knocking this part of the board out with a saw or something, drilling holes here, and gluing it into the board so that it's will fit and just make that part of this board. That's probably what I'm going to do out of frustration and pull this chip out and call it a day with that thing. Okay, that's my little update. This has been really frustrating, but these IF boards are $125 on eBay. I only paid like 19 bucks for this spare board here from some guy, but the board doesn't work, so want to get the radio working and done. That's how to do it. Guess I'll chew this board up. I could mount this thing elsewhere in the radio, but I sort of want it in the IF board. I don't want wires running around. I want to put it on the IF board, so that's what I'm probably going to do. It doesn't quite fit otherwise. Well, let me show you well, okay, next video. Thanks for watching. That's my update. Audio amplifier for the Omni 6, and again, I'll post a link to this on the video of what this thing really is, but there's the link right there. There's the little amp, and there are the pinouts for it. It works like the nuts. Oh, and there's even a volume control on it. There's a little volume control here. I guess I could crank that up too. Get some more volume out of it. I'm happy as Peach. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.